Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all doing well. It's a beautiful day. It's another day that the Lord has made. So let us rejoice and be glad in it. I have another journal flip through, and this is another ring-bound journal. This is 8 by 6 inches, but the cover is 8.25 by 6.25 inches. And there are a total of 102 inside pages. And then I added beautiful seam binding and trims on the ring just to add character to this journal. The title of this journal is Positive Vibes, Positive Mind, Positive Life. Lots of positivity, which we need these days. The closure is a pretty green seam binding, and then this is a 1.25 binding wire. And then for the inside pages, I used the paper pack from Dressmycraft, and I will put the name of the pad on the description below. There's a lot of blues and greens in this journal, and the paper pad is really beautiful. I sealed the cover with Mod Podge. It is the matte finish, and then this is the back, plain, but look at this beautiful paper. For the front cover, I did a collage, added a heart, and washi tape. So let's take a look inside. There's lots to see here. Images of plants, some coupons, heart here. This is a library card, and added some lace, and I just left the thread hanging, and then I added this blessed. Here we have a tuck, and this is a vintage postcard, and look at this, really interesting. This is the bedroom of Napoleon I. So beautiful. And then added lace. This is a time card. Next page. So stenciling and a collage. It says be grateful. The light. Beautiful paper. And vintage bingo card. Here is a repair tag. Next page, stenciling, and this is a bird stamp. Love the color. This color is from Stampin' Up. Next page, a journaling card, and again, this is a collage. It says love. So there's lots of places really to journal. Next page, this is a booklet and beautiful fabric pocket, and this booklet says 2 hearts are better than 1. So true. And inside these are grungy looking coffee stain paper. Next page, I love this stencil. This is one of my favorites. So this is a stamp, and this is a blank card, and it can be moved anywhere on the journal, and it says what a beautiful morning. Next page, another vintage postcard, and this is really interesting. This is an antique cheese press. Wow, beautiful. And added the lace. Next page. Another collage, and these are vintage stamps. And then made some tags. It says joy and peace. Even the simplest things can be beautiful. next page. Another collage says courage, and this is a flip out. And a journaling card. It says hope. Grace. And another vintage postcard. This is beautiful. Dawn, Day, Dusk at Peggy's Cove. This is from Nova Scotia. And definition of achievement, and then flashcards. And this is really interesting. This is an invoice from October 20th, 1975. I had to include this here. Another blank card. And it's a beautiful card again. And this music sheet is from 1943. Another collage. It says believe. Faith. These are vintage playing cards. Oops, this other one is upside down. And I have 4 pockets here. So this one says smile. This is a sticker key. Just take it easy. And kindness, and this one is laughter. Have a great day with a smiley face and a bit of a trim here. More tags. And strength. This is a definition of goal. And definition of friendship. And this is the end. It says, so this is love, and guest checks. So there it is. It's so much fun putting this journal together, and this makes a lovely prayer journal or gratitude journal, but really this is generic. It's an everyday journal, and again, I love the color blues and greens and some pink and lilac color here. So this again will be in my Etsy shop. I hope you like this project. I really love this journal, and this makes a beautiful gift. So this is what I have for you today. Thanks again for watching this video and for supporting my channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And the giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers is still open. Drawing will be on the 23rd, which is a Thursday. That is this coming Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you want to join, I will put the link of the video on the description below. So have a blessed week. God bless you. Bye now.